Welcome to Curry Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chili sauce. As you see, we have garlic ready to go in. Oil is hot. We're gonna put some chopped ginger. We're gonna saute for a while, and let's aroma begin here. Then after that we have some chopped onion. You can use either white onion or red onion, whatever you have available. I have white onion here, so we're gonna saute them nicely. After we saute it, what we're gonna do, we have some chopped bell pepper in our hand, also chopped celery. Those two things we're gonna put. As you think, I'm putting everything step by step. That is very important, and you need to saute them until they get a little bit soft. Uh, and If you want, you can use a little bit salt to soften them faster if you want. Otherwise, you just keep sauteing in the high flame. That is very important. If your flame is not high, so they are not going to saute, and the sauce not going to be nice. That's very important. After saute for a while, we're gonna add some chopped green uh, onions. We have scallion, you can say, and chopped cilantro stems. We're gonna put it here for the flavors, and some red whole chili. We get it here now, and we're gonna put some sauce after this. So as you see, we're gonna start with the ketchup. We're gonna put some ketchup here just for the sweetness and the body of the our sauce. And we're gonna add some chili paste. This is our like a homemade chili paste. We just boil the chili and ground it. It's nothing very fancy. And also vinegar a little bit for the acid. We're gonna add some soy sauce after that. Some we're gonna add oyster sauce also, of course. Then we're gonna put some salt and pepper, also very important. Black pepper powder we added here, some salt, and after that we're gonna mix it nicely here. And we have some cornstarch. We're gonna mix with the cold water here, and just make sure no lumps here. That's very important. And let's check our sauce here, and we're gonna put some sriracha, and it's gonna give a little bit spiciness here. I'm going to make it's medium spice here. If you wanna add more heat, you can add more chilies, more chili paste, and something like that. And it's going to be very nice. And some water we added here a little bit, and it's let it boil. And when it's boiling, then we're gonna add some uh, uh, green chili here, green chili, and we're gonna add some cornstarch. Which one we mix it? See, the cornstarch we added already, and it's get a little bit thicker. And at this point, you can taste it. Make sure the salt is there, a little bit spiciness is there, a little bit sweetness is there, and a little bit sourness is there, which we get from vinegar here, and that's very important. Thank you for watching.